Welcome to our comparison video, where we take a closer look at two popular countertop ice makers, the Aeitto and the Igloo. Both machines promise to deliver fresh ice quickly and efficiently, but how do they stack up against each other? In this video, we will compare their features, performance, and overall value to help you make an informed decision. When it comes to pricing, the Aeitto ice maker is priced at $199 United States dollars, while the Igloo model is significantly cheaper at just $89 United States dollars. This price difference raises questions about the value each product offers. Is the higher price of the Aeitto justified by its features, or does the Igloo provide better value for money? Both the Aeitto and Igloo ice makers boast an impressive ice production capacity of 26 pounds per day. However, the Aeitto can release 9 ice cubes in just 6 minutes, while the Igloo takes slightly longer, producing 8 pieces every 7 to 8 minutes. This slight difference in speed could be a deciding factor for those who need ice quickly. Both models feature a self-cleaning function, which is a significant advantage for users looking for convenience. This feature ensures that the ice makers maintain hygiene and efficiency without the hassle of manual cleaning. However, we will discuss if one model's self-cleaning feature is more effective than the other. In conclusion, both the Aeitto and Igloo ice makers offer unique features and benefits. The Aeitto is more expensive but provides rapid ice production, while the Igloo is budget-friendly and still delivers excellent performance. Depending on your needs and budget, either could be a great addition to your kitchen. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.